Hi, today we will be covering the basics on how we can create a list. Now, before we get started, it is really important that you understand that without a list, you can't send an email campaign out. You can't send them to your subscribers, it just won't work. So the very first thing that you need to do is create a list. So let's get started. If you head over to your login page and you fill out your information, press login, and now you'll see your dashboard. Don't worry, if you are new to this, there's quite a few things that you at the moment you might not know what they mean, but you will. Just follow these tutorials and before you know it, you'll be an expert at mass email campaigns, setting them up, sending them out, automating it, learning loads of things. So let's create a list. Head over to lists, and then on the drop down menu, press lists. You'll see a blank page now. If you head over to the right hand corner and you'll see 3 buttons, click create new. Now you'll see a page with lots of fields. Don't worry, it's fairly straightforward. You'll notice that under defaults you've got already filled in fields. This is because it automatically uses your registration details. If you want to change them, you can. Just simply click on it and type whatever you want there. So if you click on each field, it'll tell you what to put in here. Can you see a little pop-up comes up? And so that will guide you. With all the things with a star next to it, with each field, you'll notice a little star. That means it's required. You have to put in, you have to put something in. So I'm going to create a list. This is the name of my list. And if you leave this blank, it will automatically be filled out with the name. The description is tester for YouTube. I want my emails to stay like this. I want people to know that it's from this email, and I want people to reply to this email as well. If you want to send it from a certain email and then have people reply to another email, just fill out and put the emails in these sections. Double opt-in, again, it's fairly straightforward. It's completely up to you. I'm going to keep that as no. We go down and you'll notice that you've got your company details. You have to put in the company details. It's a must. You will not be able to save changes. You will not be able to save a list without putting this information in. So let's put this in. Going to put UK. Going to put example and city. Let's put Manchester. Postcode M4444. And your website. You have to put a website in, and it has to be the full URL. So I'm just going to grab this URL from another link. This is a website that I use a lot. List Seller. It allows you to purchase mass emails lists. It's an affordable list site. Okay, so that's everything. If you press save, your form has been successfully saved. Now, if you do something incorrect or you filled out a field wrong, it will actually refresh the page with a different sign saying unable to save. If you scroll down, you'll notice that there will be something in red. This is where the problem is. So change that, resave, and your list has been created. So our form has been successfully saved, and if we click back on lists, there you go. You've got your list, and it says when it was created, when you last updated it, and it'll give you a brief explanation on what it is. if you look in the description, we will be covering on the next video how to import subscribers into one of your lists. Thanks for watching, and see you later.